Alright, this is my quiz for angiosperm. It's basically the flowers. So let's get this started. Let's get it started, yeah. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Alright, so question 1. Draw a simple stemmed flower with 5 sepals, with 10 sepals, 10 petals. Include a corona and fusion of the calyx. In your drawing, use a diagram in your video to describe the functions. Okay. So, right here, we got so here's the diagram. Obviously, right here we got the corolix along with the sepals, as you see here. Diagram. So the sporogenous, it results in 2 haploid cells after meiosis 1 and 4 haploid after meiosis 2. The mitogenesis results in the release of microspores increased in size, and other nuclei migrate to the periphery. And now the stamen functions as a male reproductive organ, and it positions itself to help the anther and reduce the pollen dispersal, aka flower sperm. The magic in the magic wand. Now, which the anther is, the magic wand. So, draw the process of double fertilization using the diagram in your video. Explain the steps of double fertilization and the results of reproductive process. Well, the reproductive process, is simple. You get the seed, you have the baby. That's like, that's what the flower seed is, but, So, here we go. So, as you can see, it's when the sperm and the stimulus fusion of a second sperm with 2 polar nuclei result in the endosperm. So, as you could see right here, the anther, is up here, it's released, it undergoes meiosis, and the pollen is released, and then it goes in what I call the, into the female reproductive parts, then, the pollen fertilizes the ovule, goes inside, and creates an egg, and you get the double, that's a reproductive process and the fertilization when it happens at once, because plants, and even a lot of insects, they have male and female parts, so they can go both ways. I bet there's a lot of people that wish humans could do that, especially bi people. But, people, because, you get the best of both worlds, you know what I mean? Describe 3 fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Explain the advantages of angiosperms producing fruits to themselves. Well, berries are one of the fleshy fruits. They have the seeds are inferior of the fruit. They're in the interior of the fruits. Palms are also another fleshy fruit. The carless encaps derived from inferior ovary, and a fake berry basically it doesn't have a pit inside. So with fleshy fruits, it's more of like, you have plant flesh, obviously. It doesn't come out hard protected. It's protected by like actual fleshy fruits like strawberries, not actual berries. But you got the flesh, you kind of got the idea that it has stuff protecting it. That's not like hard. Oh, fuck. Dry fruits. You know, almonds is a dry fruit because the seed is enclosed in the hard covering. A walnut is a fruit because it's found inside the pod. And same with a pecan, it's found inside the pod and a hard covering. So it's like, so you picture a dry fruit, you picture it, hard, nice inside the pod, or you have to take out the pit, Even watermelon's a fleshy fruit, so not a watermelon, because fleshy fruit's protected by all that flesh and the good stuff, man, a watermelon. Anyways, explain the advantages of angiosperm producing fruits to themselves as well as other biological organisms. So, an advantage of angiosperm, it's equal to the reproduction of endosperm and protects the seeds and can promote seed dispersal. One way they can do this, animals see fruit, especially bears because they love those berries, they be eating them. Then bowel movements get moving down, but that's animal biology, and then they went, kind of like drop it out like that. Oh, fucking. Anyways, they come out and the seeds get in ground, and they're dispersed. So they could be dispersed anywhere, where a plant goes. I guess if you were to take it in the woods, get on from Kansas and then go on a flight to California, you could, if you eat the seeds and you were to go in the woods, hey, then you can produce there too. So, thank you.